Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y squared. So we have 1 over y and first derivative of y over y squared. So we can use about Bernoulli's equations. So I will put about v equal to 1 over y. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have negative first derivative of y over y squared. Because we don't have negative sign in here, so I will put the negative go to the left. So this one we change by this one, and this one we change by v. Next, I will put this one go to the left. Next, we multiply both sides by negative number 1. So we have v and first derivative of v. We can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of 3 over s squared ds. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of negative number 3 over s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of e to the power of negative 3s. And that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. That's about v in here. So if we do this integration, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of this one, we have ve to the power of negative 3 over s. About v, that is about this one. This integration is so complicated, so I will keep like this, and here is the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.